All right, so for those of you who are looking to familiarize yourself with AI and how to use it, getting started with it, I wanted to share with you a really good way of getting the perfect prompts. Prompting ChatGPT, for example, there's many ways to do it. There's you'll see lots of different suggestions, tips, people who've used different prompts, and they'll have a big sheet of prompts. I'm going to show you the easiest way to prompt ChatGPT, and ironically, it's with another tool. So if you go to Perplexity AI, use the free version, and in there, basically what we're going to say, and here's what I went ahead and prompted and said, write the perfect ChatGPT prompt to help me figure out how much to invest in organic SEO versus PPC ads or pay-per-click. And so really quickly, it came back with an answer, very solid answer, and provided the prompt, the ChatGPT prompt that will get me the results I'm looking for. And here's, I guess they have a very good relationship. They're buddies. So he says, hey, ChatGPT, I'm looking to optimize my digital marketing strategy. I need help determining the ideal balance between investing in organic SEO and PPC ads for my business. Can you provide insights on the pros and cons of each approach, considering factors like cost, long-term benefits, immediate results, target audience engagement, and overall ROI? Please guide me on how to allocate my budget effectively to maximize visibility, traffic, and conversions. Your detailed analysis and recommendations will greatly assist me in making an informed decision. Thank you. They're very polite with each other too. That's awesome. So I literally just took this. I went ahead and cut and paste direct, and here's what ChatGPT came back with. Well, the stuff that we had basically asked about, right? Based on this analysis, I'll also provide recommendations for budget allocation to maximize visibility, traffic, and conversions. So it gave me some great results. Organic SEO pros and cons. And in here, you'll see the cost effectiveness is a pro, long-term benefits, trust and credibility, target audience, and engagement. Very good. And on the con side, it's time consuming. It takes some time. You need patience as the results come back for organic SEO, and the complexity and competition. It can be complex with frequent changes in search engine algorithms. That's the truth. High competition in certain niches may make it difficult to rank for specific keywords. So that's it. So that's basically on the organic SEO side. Well, now what about PPC ads? Well, here's the advantages: immediate results, precise targeting, measurable ROI, and cons: cost, short-term impact, and click fraud. And then it basically gets into allocating your budget, determining the ideal balance between organic SEO and PPC ads. Depends on your specific business goals, budget, and timeline. Here are some recommendations. And then walks through the establishing of the goals, considering the budget, analyze and adjust, blending strategies for maximum impact, using both for a while, and having them overlap. That's basically what I use as a best practice. And then focus on quality content because it will benefit both. So, and then it's basically talking about, it finishes up by saying there's no one size fits all answer. The right mix depends on your industry, competition, and where your audience spends their time online. Start with a balanced approach, continuously measure performance and adjust your strategy accordingly to maximize your digital marketing effectiveness. So I thought that was really solid. I really like their answer. I'm going to use it actually in a post at some point on LinkedIn. Now, if you see here, though, I went ahead and asked, ask me the questions to help me determine what that right mix would be. And here's what it came back with. Specific questions related to business overview, current digital marketing efforts, goals and objectives, budgets and resources, competition and market, website content, measurement and analytics, and then customer journey and conversion. So by giving it here's the actual questions. By filling in this information and feeding it, we can actually have it act as a digital marketing consultant for us and give us a pretty good idea of what that right mix of paid ads versus organic SEO would be. So you can see it's quite extensive. That was all from a prompt that we created using a different tool, Perplexity AI. So this simple prompt led to this very comprehensive and effective answer. I have found using Perplexity, and because it uses information that's very current, it pulls from sources all over the internet, including even if you wanted to, you can focus it on information on YouTube. So big fan of Perplexity.ai. I think they're doing a great job. I still utilize ChatGPT though for much of my writing and research, and really more of a conversation style of working through data. So that's it. That's what I've got for today. If you want to look at more information related to AI and how to use it in your business for marketing or other productivity enhancements, stay tuned and watch for the next videos in the channel. I'll have a series of these coming out. Have a great day.